Real quick video on something I got from Let Go. I met up with the guy today, and I got Sight-in 120 volt, and a 120 gig SSD. That's gonna be for a build coming up. I'm not gonna say too much because I think it's gonna be, well, the install of these things is probably gonna be in the video, so they'll be coming up later. Well, here's a little backstory, I guess. This is an AM3 Plus motherboard, 12 gigs of RAM, I believe, something like that, maybe 16. I think 16, maybe, I don't know. Maybe 12. I don't remember. I don't really care. I'll post it in the description. But anyways, that's what this is going into. No CPU, as you can tell. I haven't bought one yet. Probably gonna go through for A320E, I think is what it's called. $80, I think, at Micro Center. That'd be a cool video. Maybe if I'll make a video going there. I don't know. So I guess we'll open this up. And yeah. Yeah, it says AM3 Plus right on it, so that's good. The guy said everything's in there, so I believe him. How's this open? Oh, here we go. All the screws went flying. Oh well. Not sure if it's used. Looks used a little bit. Well, he wasn't just selling this, so here it is. Looks pretty decent. Water block. Just a 6 or 3 pin that powers it, looks like. Oh, that just powers the fan, I think. I can hear the water in there, that's cool. So it's not empty. Oh, here we go. There's this pin too. I've never had a water cooler. It's my first time ever having one. So, Cooler Master thermal paste. Not sure if it came with that, but that's pretty neat. All these brackets for all different things. No clue what I need. Probably this one, I imagine. I'm not really sure. I'll probably have to take the motherboard out. I'll do that and come back. I gotta leave, so I'm not gonna be able to do it right this second, but looks like everything's in here, so I'm a happy person. Well, it seems that I had to make this thing, and I have to take the motherboard out to do it. Or I can see if I can reach it from here, which I don't know. Actually, yeah, I can, but I'm confused. Never put on an aftermarket cooler. I've only done it on LJ775. So what do? I think I unscrew these things, I think. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna do that real quick then. Well, apparently this is what it looks like. I never knew. I thought this was going to be green or whatever, like how this is. But no, it's not sticky or anything. It's, I don't know. Maybe it is going to be sticky, like if you were to put it on again. I have no clue. Maybe that might just be so it's not rubbing against the motherboard bare metal or whatever. And then put the plastic things back on it. Otherwise, I'd lose everything. Well, it looks like I can just stick this right on. Are these the holes? Yep. Just like that, I guess, right? I think so. That's what I'm getting out of it. And it looks like this goes on here. This would actually be where the water cooler would go, but I'm not putting that on because why put it on when there's no CPU? So I'm just going to screw these things on so it doesn't fall out. And then it'll just it'll probably just stay on when the back side panel's on. I don't know what that was. Actually, I do know what that was. I think, I don't know. I don't care. We're just going to put this back on. And it'll be held in. So I gotta take out the rear fan. Actually, if you look on Cooler Master's website, just look up the Cooler Master N200 or look at images, whatever. One of their stock photos has a water cooler similar to that. I think it's older, but it is a small half-size one, not a full 240. I think it's a full-size one, I think. Oh, what is this, 120? And they have the 120 in the back like this, and they have a 240 in the front, which I originally wanted at the one that Science Studio always used. I can't remember what it's called right now. The brand. I've been out of the scene of computer stuff for a while. Whatever. So now I gotta put this on, and it has everything in the box. I'm very surprised. This seller's gonna be getting 5 stars on Let Go, so very happy about that. He even said that everything was in there, and it's true. I'm glad. I'm very glad, because I didn't really want to have to order a screw or something stupid. We gotta put this in. Well, it's all done. I did have to use different screws for the back because I don't know if it was stripped or what, or if he used the wrong screws. I don't know. I don't care. But I had screws for it, so it's all good. It's just laying in there right now. I gotta put the SSD in. It'll go up here probably, maybe down there. I'm probably up there because then be right by this one. I don't know. This is way better than the one I had before. The other one's in the HP right now, but this one's metal, or it's a lot heavier. I don't know if it's metal. It feels metal, looks metal, and it weighs like metal. So that's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. And boy, do I wish I had a CPU right now.